Here is a neat trick for Photoshop. If you need to select a circle object, you would go to your Marque tool, select it, come down here, and we want to select this circle object. To do that, hold the Shift key and drag your mouse. As you can see, it doesn't align properly. To align it, hold the Spacebar at the same time as the Shift and drag it now. And that actually lines up pretty good. But say it was off a little bit, then you could easily depress the Spacebar, continue to hold the Shift though, and you can drag it in or drag it out the size. And then when you want to move the actual object, you press the Spacebar again and you move it, and there it is. Perfectly aligned selection of a circle object. I hope this helps you. I know it helped me tremendously when I first learned it.